an entrepreneur. Because you know what closes the deal? It's not just your knowledge, it's not just the logic, but it's actually your confidence. Sa akin, yung mga taong play safe, sometimes it's just their scapegoat. Parang sinasabi lang nila kung nga rin na, di ko gagawin yan kasi dito ako sa safe. Pero minsan scapegoat lang nila yon dahil duwag sila. Ibig sabihin parang di nila push through, parang di sila ganun katapang. Pero I just want to remind them that maybe they need courage. I interviewed a lot of people na mga nag-settle na lang na, o sige, may makukuha akong pension pagdating ng araw. Alam mo, when you meet these people, you can learn so much from them. It's because sila mismo magsasabi na, the age of ganito, yung pension ko or nauuwi na lang pambayad ng gamot, o kaya pambayad ng onting leisure, pambayad ng pang-abot onti sa po, doon na lang napupunta yung kanilang cycle. Kung hindi dito sa negosyo na to, benta na lang ako ng barbecue. Oo, tanungin mo sila, magkano kinikita nila? 5,000 per day. May na-interview ako, nagtatrabaho sa Makati. Ang ganda-ganda. Pagtanong mo, magkano ang sweldo mo? Minimum. Kaya sa akin, be an entrepreneur. Because you know what closes the deal? It's not just your knowledge, it's not just the logic, it's not just the computation, but it's actually your confidence. For example, may kausap ka, makikita nila na sobrang confident mo at ang dami mong interview na ng mga taong who's been there. I know that you'll really share and touch their lives.